Hello learners! This is the TV-based instruction, a program of the Division of Davao de Oro, where education continues at your respective television. My name is Teacher Jonathan Anduyan Urgel from San Isidro Integrated School, Nabunturan, West District. Your science teacher for this session. For the guidance of our audience, this episode is for Grade 4 Science. After going through this module, you are expected to be able to communicate that the major organs work together to make the body function properly, and name organs that work together to make the body function properly. Before we proceed to our lesson, let us answer first what I know found on page 1 and page 2 of your module. For activity 1, directions. Arrange the following jumbled letters to form the hidden words. Write your answers on your science notebook. I know that you are done already answering the activity. Let us now check your answers for this activity. For number 1, the answer is yes, it's digestion. For number 2, the answer is yes, it's carbon dioxide. For number 3, the answer is exhale. For number 4, the answer is yes, it's inhale. And for number 5, yes, you got it right. It's oxygen. Did you get the right answers? Very good. For activity 2, directions. You are going to describe the main functions of the major organs by matching the items in column A with the items found in column B. Write the letter of your answer in your science notebook. Alright, let us check your answers for this activity. For number 1, the answer is, it's letter E. For number 2, the answer is, yes, it's letter B. For number 3, the answer is, it's letter F. For number 4, the answer is, yes, it's letter C. For number 5, you got it right. It's letter D. And for number 6, it's letter A. I know very well that all of you got the correct answers on this. Just keep on going. And for activity 3, directions. Identify the following statements stated below. Write your answer in your science notebook. Are you done, learners? Very good. This time, let me show you the answers for this activity. For number 1, the answer is, yes, it's stomach. For number 2, the answer is, yes, it's the heart. For number 3, the answer is, yes, you got it right. It's the brain. And for number 4, the correct answer is, it's kidneys. Learners, if your score is 11 to 15, very good. You may still read the module, but you are already knowledgeable with the topics that we are to discuss. If your score is 6 to 10, well, that's good. Go over the items that you find difficult, and then you may proceed to the lessons in this module that you don't understand. And if your score is 0 to 5, well, don't worry about your score. This module is designed for you to understand further about matter. So, what are you waiting for? Start your journey. Our learning journey starts with lesson 1. And that is major organs work together. Organs know what they need to do. It is specific, connected, and related. It is organized and systematic. Good day, kids! How are you once again? It's good to hear that you are feeling well. It means that your body organs do their functions effectively. This module contains fun and exciting activities which will help you realize that body organs communicate and work together to make your body function efficiently as well. On page 3 of your module, you will find the activity under the What's In. For this activity, you are going to write the name of the following body organs on your notebook as shown in the pictures. Did you get the right answers? Amazing! You are on the right track. You can now proceed to the other activities. Let us now move on to the next part of the module, on which the What's New found on page 4 for activity 1, entitled How Much I Owe You. Directions. Given are the 3 pairs of organs that work together. Explain briefly how these organs communicate or work together through their functions. Write your answer in your science notebook. Also, in answering this activity, please be guided with the 5 questions. The first question is, what are the different major organs of the body? For question number 2, based from the activity, what are the organs that communicate from one another? For question number 3, how do they communicate from one another? For question number 4, what happens if an organ does not work properly? And for the 5th question, what will you do in order to maintain your major organs healthy? My dear learners, did you get the right answers? Very good! You are doing great! Since you are already done with activity 1, let us proceed to activity 2, entitled The Line of Connection. Stated in the box are the functions on how the major organs communicate with each other. Name the organs involved in these connections. Again, please be guided with the following questions. Question number 1. What organs are connected in number 1? How about in number 2? For question number 2, is one organ exclusively connected to only one particular organ? And for question number 3, how does one organ communicate with another organ? Learners, did you get the correct answers? Well done! For more activities, read and understand the information below of your module. Points to remember. Our body is composed of different body organs which perform important functions. They work together in order to make the body function properly. So, keeping them healthy is very important. The human body contains organs that are considered vital for survival. They are the stomach, intestines, heart, brain, kidneys, and lungs. The stomach is a sac-like container of food made from involuntary muscle. It contracts and relaxes in order to digest food. Foods are squeezed, churned, and twisted in the stomach. Intestines are found inside our body, which are long, continuous tube running from the stomach to the anus. The nutrients and water absorption mostly happen in the intestines. These include the small intestine, the large intestine, and the rectum. The heart is located in the center of the chest, and its function is to keep blood flowing through the body. Blood carries substances to cells that they need and also carries away waste from cells. The brain is located in the head and functions as the body's control center. It is the seat of all thoughts, memories, perceptions, and feelings. The two kidneys are located in the back of the abdomen on either side of the body. Their function is to filter blood and form urine, which is excreted from the body. The two lungs are located on either side of the upper chest. Their main function is exchanging oxygen and carbon dioxide with the blood. Each part of your digestive system helps to move food and liquid through your gastrointestinal tract, break food and liquid into smaller parts, or both. Once foods are broken into small enough parts, your body can absorb and move the nutrients to where they are needed. The heart and lungs work together to make sure the body has the oxygen-rich blood it needs to function properly. The pulmonary loop is responsible for the oxygen-poor blood from the body and moves it to the lungs for cleaning and reoxygenating, while the systemic loop, once the blood is reoxygenated, the left side of the heart moves the blood throughout the body so that every part receives the oxygen it needs. The brain controls what you think and feel, how you learn and remember, and the way you move and talk. But it also controls things you are less aware of. And these are the beating of your heart and the digestion of your food. Let's check what you have learned so far. Good luck! On page 8 of your module, you will answer activity 1 entitled Organs Together under what more part? The direction is, with a given pair of organs, explain how they work together to make your body function properly. Since you are now done with this activity, let us proceed to what I have learned part of the module found on page 9. The direction is, given are the pictures of the different internal organs. Think of a possible way on how you are going to create or do a concept map showing the interconnectedness of all the different internal organs. You can use color or crayons in creating a line to show the connections and be able to write how the paired organs work together. Consider the title of your concept map as Control over the Other. Do this in your science notebook. My dear learners, did you get the right answers? Wow! Aren't you proud of yourself? Since you are already done with the activity under what I have learned, let us proceed on the activity under what I can do. The direction is, answer the given questions below. Write your answers in your notebook. I know that you are done answering this activity. Let us now check your answers. For question number 1, a child is suffering from diarrhea. What particular organs of the body do not function properly? The correct answer for this is its gastrointestinal tract, specifically the large intestine. For question number 2, the question is, someone experience difficulty in breathing? What organs of the body are not functioning well? The correct answer for this is lungs. For question number 3, Rico loves to eat salty and fatty foods. What particular organs can be affected by his bad habit? The answer for this is yes, it's kidney. Did you get the right answers? Wonderful! Now you have figured it out. This time, let us answer the 15 questions found on the assessment part of the module found on page 10. Directions. Read and analyze each sentences. Write the letter of the correct answers in your science notebook. After honestly answering these, you may check the answers at the last part of this module. My dear learners, we are almost done with our session for today. But before that, let us answer the last activity under the additional activities. Directions. Draw the different body organs that work together with the brain. Color them and be able to write how they work together. Do it in your science notebook. Did you get the right answers? Excellent! And congratulations! You have finished the module with flying colors. I am sure that this day has been a fruitful one because we have learned something new. I am sure that this day has been a fruitful one because we have learned something new. This only proves that not even COVID-19 can stop us from learning. Once again, this is Teacher Jonathan Anduyan Urgel from San Isidro Integrated School, Nabunturan West District. Always remember, dito sa TV Eskwela, sa pag-aaral, sama-sama. Bye-bye!